Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use Google Bard as a Spanish translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest you log in first. To begin, effortlessly paste your Spanish text into the chat. The technique is simple to uncover. Just state, translate this in English, and then press the enter key. Google Bard promptly and accurately provides an English translation, revealing the enigma hidden within the Spanish words. However, the exploration of language doesn't end there. Even if you become so absorbed that you need to search for a Spanish phrase, the process remains consistently reliable. As before, author translate this to Spanish before typing the appropriate English text. Observe how Google Bard adeptly responds, seamlessly furnishing the correct Spanish translation. Despite the tool's remarkable capabilities, it's important to remember that accuracy may vary, especially in challenging scenarios or when using sensitive language. Seeking second opinion is generally advisable. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.